and we watch the Asteroid Hunters.
All right, we want to.
Excited?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Some of our lesser known projects, but still very exciting, where we develop sensors, instruments, and technology that go on deep space missions. Very relevant to today's topic of asteroids, we developed a sensor that launched on the OSIRIS-REx mission a few years ago. OSIRIS-REx went to visit asteroid Bennu, which was more than 200 million kilometers away from Earth. A few years ago, it would have interacted with Bennu and supported 3D scanning of the asteroid Bennu. That spacecraft actually touched down on the asteroid, collected some samples, which are destined back to arrive here on Earth the middle of next year. So very, very exciting. Missions like Lunar Gateway, like Artemis coming up, like OSIRIS-REx, really help us learn more about the origins of our solar system and our planet, which is why today we are so happy to be partnering with the Ontario Science Centre with this film. We are pleased to offer MDA and other folks here today a screening of Asteroid Hunters, and really just so proud to see everyone here and to be a part of such a pretty interesting morning. With that, I'll hand it back over to get on with the screening. Thank you so much, and nice to see you all.
This is 6 steps to infinity. We're going to be talking about the Asteroid Hunters movie. The movie basically explains how asteroids work and how people could stop asteroids from hitting the Earth. How in different ways that you can stop asteroids from hitting Earth. It shows the impact. Like it shows simulations of what would happen. What would probably happen if an asteroid would hit or go into the direction of the Earth. They talk about different ways that you can stop an asteroid from hitting Earth. You can, shoot down, like shoot an asteroid. You can move the asteroid so it won't hit Earth. If an asteroid ever comes to Earth and it hits and if it's detected that it'll hit like a major city or something, they could also like evacuate people from there give warnings and evacuate people from places where it might impact them, or if it's like pretty far away, they would just give you a warning. And they also explain kind of like what would happen once an asteroid hits the Earth. So if an asteroid hits the Earth, they explain how the surrounding area would be like impacted, and how everything would work and stuff. They also talk a bit about the Chernobyls. They also talk about the asteroid belt and like different asteroids that were discovered, and different asteroids that humans kind of like landed on and brought samples of and stuff. And you also there's some professionals that talk about the subject and stuff. Basically just gives you an idea of people who hunt asteroids and try. Interesting part, like a very interesting thing that they did is that they had a lot of kind of like weird like movements around kind of like asteroids, and it like looks realistic. And lots of animations, loud sounds, like not a lot of sounds. I mean like music that's like epic, and it's like going over going around like the, and like I don't know, like the spaceships like landing on the asteroid, or like the asteroid like slowly moving towards the Earth and stuff. So it was really interesting.